How does it feel that you suck?
Bossa, awesome. I'm gonna sing the song for Papa.
Are you sure you can sing it?
Yeah, of course. I love this song. It's our song.
I hope you don't suck.
Do you hear me? I'm talking to you. Across the water, across the deep blue ocean, under the open sky. Oh my, and baby I'm trying. And boy, I hear you in my dreams. I feel you whisper across the sea. I keep you with me in my heart, and you make me easier when life gets hard. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend, and lucky to have been where I have been, and lucky to be coming home again. Ooh. They don't know how long it takes waiting for a love like this. Every time we say goodbye, I wish we had one more kiss. I'll wait for you, I promise you I will. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. I'm lucky to have been where I have been. I'm lucky to be coming home again. Bossa. I'm lucky we're in love in every way. I'm lucky to have stayed and never have stayed. I fucked up. Lucky to be coming home. I fucked up again. Through the sea to an island where we'll meet. We'll make music, fill the air. I put a flower in your hair. So the trees, they're pretty. You're the sea. I've been drinking my turkeys, spinning round. You hold me right here, right now.
Oh,
Lucky
hey Justin.
I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. Lucky we're in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home someday. Ooh. Maybe I need to put my glasses on because I'm blind as Bye, Chassen. Zippo. Bye-bye. Hassan Bondara.
You messed up the word some.
I know I did because I suck like la la la.
My only sucks. Goodbye, everybody.